Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Barclays US credit card, secure access step by step clearly. To access your Barclays US credit card account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Barclays website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the provided field. Ensure that your username and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. If you prefer to stay logged in on this device, check the box for Remember Me. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access. After logging in, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From here, you can view your account balance, transactions, and other relevant information. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Make sure to log out of your account when finished, especially if using a public computer. To log out, click on your profile icon or your name, usually located at the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and out of your Barclays US credit card account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.